Hello friends! I am so excited today because my cookbook has finally arrived. After so many months of waiting, it's finally here. I'm about to open the box. This book has been a long time in coming. Wow! It's in print, it's real, I'm so excited. The Backyard Farm Girl. This is a cookbook kind of about me, my story, and then mostly about the delicious meals I fed my family over 35 years of cooking for husband and children. I've been thinking about making this book for a long time, since one of my sons came home from his church mission, walked into the kitchen, kissed the refrigerator, and told me how much he had missed my cooking, which is music to every mother's ears. And then as my other children started leaving home, they would say, "But Mom, what am I going to eat? I want to eat your cooking." So I thought, that's such a good idea. I'll compile all of our family favorites into one book so that they can take it with them. And that's what this book is. This book is a compilation of all of our family favorites. And boy, is this good eating. I laid this out so that at the introduction of each section, there's a little personal anecdote about me so that my children would know more about their mother. So I tell little stories about myself, and then it's divided by seasons, because on a farm or in your backyard garden, you're kind of cooking according to the seasons, whatever is ripening in your garden at the time. So it's laid out so that it helps you harvest your garden and then use those things right away. Each section heading also gives you a little information on the benefits of cooking a certain way, such as fermentation and all the health benefits that come from fermenting your homegrown vegetables. Or in the winter section, it talks about how to make and use bone broth and the myriad of benefits that come from using bone broth in all of your home-cooked foods. And then there's the dessert section and all of our favorite ways of celebrating special days together as a family. And of course there's a section on sourdough. And if you're needing to know how to make your own sourdough starter, there is a section on that as well. And that will get you started on making your own sourdough breads and pancakes and biscuits and many delicious things. One of my family's very favorites is German pancakes with lemon sauce. We had eaten this on vacation many times, and so I went home and recreated it. Absolutely delicious. For a very hearty and nutritious meal, this Mediterranean white bean soup is so good. You're gonna love this one. Layered enchiladas is something my husband grew up on, so of course that's a family favorite. The cucumber soup with tomato sorbet is a really special recipe to me that I got in the Caribbean from a restaurant there that was so kind and generous to share their recipe with me. I love it. It's so fresh and light in the summertime. Then to really make your mouth water, this strawberry Boston cream cake. I just took your basic strawberry shortcake and elevated it with Boston cream. I make this every Easter and also on my daughter's summer birthday. It's just a real family favorite. But then the most requested recipe of all times with my children is peach crisp with maple cream sauce. This is usually what they want for their birthday special meal. This cookbook is a gift to my children, and I hope it will bless your family as well with delicious, easy to follow, nutritious meals. You can find my cookbook on my website, livesoblessed.com, and on Amazon. And friends, be sure to stay tuned because I have more recipes on how to use your sourdough on a daily basis coming up.